Picture yourself in the 2019 Lexus RX. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a refined and capable Lexus RX, the premium SUV with available third-row seating, a serene cabin, and silky smooth ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, fog lamps, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control, power driver seat, seat memory. Premium meets practical in this stylish and spacious RX. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.